Welcome to Color Cord Kids.
Zoom, 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 let's fly away up to space where the shapes all play. Stars are shining, planets glow. Come on friends, let's say hello. Circle, circle, round and bright, like the moon that shines at night. Square, square, four sides meet, like a or a C. Round and square, come with me. Zoom through space so happily. Triangle, triangle, 3 points high, like a rocket zooming to the sky. Star, star, twinkle light, guiding spaceships through the night. Triangles and stars, hip hooray, we love learning as we play. Rectangle, rectangle, long and wide, like a spaceship we can ride. Heart, heart, full of love, like a comet soaring above. Shapes are fun, come along, let's keep learning in our song. Circle, square, star and more, so many shapes for us to explore. Blast off now, but don't be late. Goodbye friends, the shapes are great.